Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: charge, proximity, and the right app. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, then power up the watch and open its pairing mode. Open the manufacturer's app on your phone now. The app often handles Bluetooth scanning and firmware checks automatically. Once done, grant location and Bluetooth permissions when prompted. These let the phone see the watch. Make sure to keep devices close and do not switch Wi-Fi networks during this initial handshake. You continue inside the app where the real setup happens. Sign in or create an account, then follow prompts to select your exact model. The app may scan automatically. If auto detect fails, choose manual pairing and enter the numeric code shown on the watch. This ensures secure connection. Allow required permissions like notifications and contacts so features work. Once paired, accept firmware updates. Update now over stable Wi-Fi, and you finish by personalizing settings. Enable notifications, grant health data access, and choose a watch face. Test key features. Make a call, send a message, check heart rate or step sync to confirm everything moves across. Once done, sync schedules and backup settings in the app. If something goes wrong, try the one-key troubleshooting tip. Unpair both devices, clear the phone's Bluetooth cache, reboot phone and watch, then repair. Most stubborn issues resolve this way.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.